I'm going to steal 9 Kirby's clothes, shoes. Why? Why? Because I'm evil. There's Kirby's house. There's Kirby's house. Time to hide outside here. There's clothes. There are shoes. That is good. A few minutes later. Alright, and we are going to A. Where did our shoes go? Oh, I know he did that. It was Overhaul. He's the one who caused too much trouble again. I agree. Let's stop them. Oh no, I am so busted. That's right, let's go out shoes. Let's give it to all of us right now. Now we are